My name is Ruben Camp. I am the son and nephew of dentists, so I've been around that all of my life. And huge nerd, always loved technology. So after college, I got a job at Benco Dental and kind of married those two things, right? The crazy dental family and computers, and spent some time at Benco learning the industry and the system. And then I ended up leaving and starting Darkhorse, which is a more concierge level of IT service. So the first step when folks reach out to us, number one, we tell them everything is confidential, right? The amount of times I've had conversations with dentists hiding in closets and parking lots so that their boss doesn't know what's happening, you'd be surprised. It all really starts with that, saying like, this is a safe space. Then we go right to the floor plan and start doing a design of what they want their dream practice to look like. The average IT project takes roughly 30 days from start to finish if it is a simple IT takeover. For a pure clean startup practice, it only takes a week, but there's a lot of things that has to happen before then. Permitting, COA, you gotta get the wiring in there, you gotta have internet, and then we come in the last week and tie everything up. So simple IT transition can take 30 days, needs the help of the outgoing IT provider, but a startup will ultimately take between 3 and 6 months. In order to have a seamless IT transition, dentists should have their documentation ready. So that's going to be passwords, makes and models of devices on the network, history of anything that has happened at the practice, right? Letting your IT company know that there has vendor activity in the past so they know how much it matters to you will be really key in a strong, successful IT onboarding. Right from the beginning, we make it easy because we say you cannot work with us if you do not follow HIPAA compliance, right? So everything that you'll see and hear from us is going to support your practice in achieving that. And we are looking to work with dental practices that do care about their patient health information and are okay with making sure they have backups and firewall and uphold, the protection and trust of their patients. Most startup practices we work with completely overlook a couple items. Sometimes they just don't even know that it can be provided by an IT company. So when we go into these designs, and we're designing about 100 to 150 practices a year, sound is a really big player in this conversation. And sound is really important because you can mask the flushing of a toilet. You can mask private conversations in treatment rooms. So sound design and IT are very linked, as well as security cameras. Our security cameras are plugged into the network. They're a device that we plan for in the wiring process. If you're a pediatric dentist, you might have different needs than a general dentist, right? You might want cameras in treatment rooms, and a general dentist might just want exits, staff lounge where payments are taking place. So sound and security cameras are two really important items that doctors don't ask enough about. It's important to know we do work with practices in every single state besides Wyoming. So if you're a dentist in Wyoming, please reach out. We have a partner network across the United States that does even include Hawaii and Alaska that allows us to dispatch trusted IT help, sometimes called smart hands, when needed. The thing that we like to do is hire really talented, knowledgeable dental IT folks so that it is minimally required to have to come on site to fix something. And that obviously results in a lower cost structure for the dental office and a faster resolution time on the issue they're facing. The beginning of the partnership is obviously really important. We want to kick it off and start it with the best efforts possible. Let's say you're a dentist, you're running open dental, you have a local server at your practice, you're going to get a backup system and you're going to firewall from us directly shipped to your office. And during the sales process, you will have the option, if you're a techie dentist and you want to play around with the hardware, we'll work with you. If you're our typical client, you're like, I don't have time for that, we can either walk you through plugging those devices in or we can come out and do it ourselves. So we do offer remote or white glove on-site installation services. If you're interested in working with us, we're really easy to get a hold of. You can go on our website and fill out a contact form that will go right to our sales team and we can start that conversation, send you a link, get on a call, make it super easy. You can call 800-868-4504 and speak to one of our wonderful customer service reps and kind of get a sense of what it's like to call in and submit a ticket. But they'll, of course, take down your information for us to call you back. You can email us, sales@darkhorsetech.com. We're really easy to get a hold of.